Hi, my name's Hannah, and I'm from ProCandleSupply.com. And for those of you who don't know me, I've started several candle companies, and I've gotten a lot of questions lately on what the best jars are for starting your own candle company. So today, I'm going to show you some of my favorite jars for candle making. These jars will give you a high-end, professional-looking finished candle. This way, you have a great high-value product to offer your customers. Make sure you leave me a comment below and let me know what jar you're using. Remember, you can get all these candle jars as well as your candle making supplies at ProCandleSupply.com. Okay, so the first jar is a 9-ounce jar and it holds approximately 7 ounces of wax by weight. This is one of my favorite candle jars to use because it's not too big and it's not too small. It's modern enough, but still really cute. I use this jar all the time and we have 2 lid colors to choose from, white and gold. The next jar is a 16-ounce jar that holds approximately 12 ounces of wax by weight. This is a very commonly used jar. It's been around forever and is a classic in my opinion. It's great for a country style candle look, and right now I have an antique pewter lid option on it. The next 2 jars are the Heavy Base Rocks and the Heavy Base Double Old Fashioned. They're a high-end whiskey glass style and they're super stylish and classy. The Heavy Base Rocks jar is an 11-ounce jar and it holds approximately 8 ounces of wax by weight. The Heavy Base Double Old Fashioned is a 13.5-ounce jar that holds around 10 ounces of wax by weight. Next is the Cube jar. This jar is a little more modern and high-end. It's a nice heavy jar. It's the thickest jar we sell and it's ideal for a luxury line of candles. It's a 12-ounce jar that holds around 10 ounces of wax by weight. Okay, so we're about halfway through, and remember, if you have any questions about any of these jars, make sure you reach out to me directly at ProCandleSupply.com. Okay, the next jar is the large status jar. It's a 21-ounce jar that holds around 15.9 ounces of wax by weight. It's our tallest jar for those looking for a tall candle. A lot of people reuse these for storage after they burn them down. They hold pens, coins, flowers, knickknacks, craft supplies. It's a great dual-use jar. The next jar is a large tumbler jar. It's perfect for making candles with 3 wicks. You just make a triangle pattern with your wicks evenly spaced out. It's a 20.75-ounce jar that holds approximately 17 ounces of wax by weight. Okay, and the last 2 jars are the Apothecary style jars. They're a simple storage jar that's been popular for a very long time. Some of the largest candle companies in the world use this style jar. The large Apothecary jar is a 22-ounce jar that holds roughly 16 ounces of wax by weight. The smaller jar is a 15-ounce jar that holds roughly 10 ounces of wax by weight. Both of these have the large flat glass lid on top. In fact, the large status in both of our Apothecary style jars use the large flat glass lid. And I think that about wraps it up. Make sure you check out my other videos on soy candle and soap making. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, contact us directly. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.